here with a good patient of ours who's here 8 months after his procedure, African American hair after FUE procedure. You know, FUE is not the easiest procedure for African Americans because of the curliness of the hair. It's difficult to harvest hair. But with the new methods of hair restoration, we can get the hair nice and intact, and the results are perfect. So these are the old pictures. If you see closely on the corners, he has significant recession on corners, class 3, and not only corners, the temporal points are going back to the point that they're becoming like almost like flat on these areas. So we needed to restore that temporal points. Corners has to come forward, and that's how we designed it. And let's see how it looks now, 8 months after procedure. Hello.
Hey,
how do you feel?
I feel incredible. The results are so natural to me, and I never in a million years thought that I would have a full hairline to this extent.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I recently got an edge up so you can't see it as well, but the hair on the sides have definitely come in.
Absolutely. The temporal points are nicely done. Let's look at the back. Turn around. This is a FUE procedure, no scarring, nothing to be seen. Full head of hair with a reasonably small number of grafts.
Yes.
Yes, it was 1,600 grafts, and those are the areas on the front that we mark on the chart. Okay, anything else you want to say?
The healing process was very easy for me personally. The scabs were off the back of my head with no more than 3 to 4 days, and I actually had the procedure on Friday. I flew out for work on Tuesday to Wyoming. My coworkers had no idea I even had the procedure. Until this day, nobody knows that I had the procedure, which is nice because it's natural. It wasn't something that like shocked people. So the results are just very natural, very aesthetically pleasing to myself, and I would recommend this to anybody who is insecure about their hairline.
Thank you. Well, congratulations to you.
Of course, thank you.